Imagine carrying a small piece of plastic in your wallet and thinking it's only for withdrawing cash. It's a familiar ritual, right? You stand at the ATM, you insert your card, you punch in your PIN, you collect your money, and you walk away. But what if I told you that same card in your pocket is one of the most powerful financial tools you already own? Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money knowledge problem. And today, we're unveiling something simple, yet powerful. Your ATM card is so much more than a cash withdrawal tool. Let me show you what you've been overlooking. First, you can pay bills instantly. Think about it. Electricity, water, cable TV, internet subscriptions. Instead of standing in those long, frustrating queues or searching for a POS agent who might charge you extra, your ATM card can handle all of it. You can pay these bills online from the comfort of your home or at ATM machines that support bill payment. That small card can literally keep your lights on. In today's world, convenience is power. Next, let's talk about online shopping and payments. Your ATM card, which is a debit card, is your gateway to the global marketplace. You can shop on e-commerce platforms like Amazon or eBay. You can pay for online courses to upgrade your skills. You can book flights for your next vacation, order the latest gadgets, and subscribe to services like Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube Premium. The beauty of this is that the money comes directly from your bank account. There's no borrowing, no debt accumulating in the background. Used wisely, it's controlled, intentional spending. But used carelessly, it becomes a silent leakage, draining your account without you even noticing. The power isn't in the card, it's in your discipline. How about transferring money without ever setting foot in a bank? Many ATMs now allow interbank transfers. You don't need to fill out forms or wait for a teller. With just your ATM card and a few taps on the screen, you can send money to family, pay urgent fees, or settle business transactions in minutes. The time you save is productivity gained. That's time you can invest back into your work, your family, or yourself. Let's also touch on POS payments and going cashless. Have you noticed how almost every store now has a sign that says, "We accept card"? That's not just for convenience, it's for security. Carrying large amounts of cash exposes you to the risk of theft or loss. Your ATM card allows you to pay directly at point-of-sale terminals. It's safer, it's cleaner, and it's smarter. Embracing a cashless lifestyle can significantly reduce your financial stress. No more fumbling for change or worrying about having enough cash on you. One of the most underrated features is the ability to track your spending history. Every single transaction made with your ATM card is recorded. This means you have a detailed log of where your money is going. You can monitor your spending habits, identify those unnecessary expenses that are holding you back, and budget more effectively for the future. Your card becomes a financial mirror, reflecting your true financial behavior. And sometimes the truth it shows can be uncomfortable, but real growth always begins with awareness. Your card is also an emergency lifeline. Imagine it's late at night. You need urgent medication for a sick child, or your car runs out of fuel in the middle of nowhere. No bank is open, but your ATM card works 24/7. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't complain. It gives you access to your funds when it matters most. That kind of financial access equals peace of mind, knowing you have a safety net for life's unexpected moments. And the access doesn't stop at your country's borders. Depending on your bank, your ATM card can be enabled for international transactions. This opens up a whole new world. You can pay for global services, register for international exams, or purchase digital tools for your business from anywhere on the planet. Your card can connect you to the world, not just your street or your city. It transforms from a local tool into a global key. Have you heard of smart ATMs? Many modern ATMs now allow you to deposit cash directly into your account using your card. No more filling out deposit slips or waiting in line for the teller. You walk in, insert your card, deposit the cash, and you're done. It's a game changer for speed and efficiency. In the new economy, efficiency is the new wealth. If you run a small business, your ATM card can be a powerful business tool. You can use it to purchase inventory online, pay your vendors instantly, subscribe to business software that boosts your productivity, and even run online ads to find new customers. Your personal card can become an engine for your business growth, helping you operate with the speed and agility of a much larger company. But here's the deepest lesson of all. Your ATM card is a tool for financial discipline training. It only lets you spend what you actually have. Unlike credit cards that encourage borrowing and can lead you down a rabbit hole of debt, Your debit ATM card teaches a powerful life principle: live within your means. It forces you to be aware of your account balance, and that awareness builds discipline. Discipline, over time, builds wealth. Now, here's the critical warning. With great access comes great responsibility. If someone clones your ATM card, if you expose your PIN, if you enter your card details on an unsafe website, that same powerful tool becomes incredibly dangerous. So, you must protect it. Never, ever share your PIN with anyone. Be suspicious of links in emails or text messages asking for your card details. Always cover the keypad with your hand when typing your PIN at an ATM or a POS machine. And make sure you enable transaction alerts so you're notified immediately of any activity on your account. Financial intelligence is not optional anymore. It's a survival skill. The bigger life lesson here is that most of us underestimate what we already have. We pray for bigger opportunities, for a big break, while completely ignoring the small, powerful tools right in our hands. Your ATM card is a perfect reminder of this. Sometimes what looks ordinary is actually extraordinary. The question is not, do I have enough? The real question is, am I using what I already have wisely? Because wealth is not built by access alone. It's built by understanding. So the next time you hold that piece of plastic in your hand, don't just see plastic. See potential. See access. See responsibility. See power. Because in this modern world, financial knowledge is the real currency. And the more you understand your tools, the more control you will have over your financial future. If this video opened your eyes, please share it with someone you know who still thinks an ATM card is only for withdrawing cash. Because sometimes, one small piece of awareness can change how a person handles their money forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights that can empower your life.